Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 文 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's write. 文 means language. Writing or surname. For example, 文件 文件 document 文件 document. Now check this sentence. Please try and find a time to read the document before the meeting. Please try and find time to read the document. Read the document before the meeting.开会前，请抽时间把文件看一下。开会前 before the meeting， 请抽时间，请 please 抽时间 try to find the time， 把文件看一下 read the document， 看一下。开会 before the meeting， 前请抽时间把文件看一下。Please try and find a time to read the document before the meeting. 开会前，请抽时间把文件看一下。开会前，请抽时间把文件看一下。文 in cursive. One language, writing or Chinese surname. 文件 document. Please try and find time to read the document before the meeting. 开会前，请抽时间把文件看一下。文 Please comment any sentence with the character 文. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.